Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Now I am going to take class 8 biology subject lesson 2 cell, the basic unit of life. Here I am going to discuss about activity 4 to observe nucleus in an onion peel cells and onion peel cells. This is the activity. We have to how to prepare onion cells in onion bulb. We discussed in previous activity. Now I am not going to discuss, but here I am going to discuss about to observe nucleus in onion peel cells. Okay, here materials required: onion bulb, glass slide, cover slip, brush, blade, microscope, etc. These are the materials required. Procedure: we have to prepare thin transparent film holding membrane. We have to take small piece. That piece we have to keep here. Then we have to add a stain. We have to take methylene or safranie or red color ink or blue color ink. You have to take any one stain. You have to add, then covered with cover slip, put aside. After 5 minutes, you have to add drop wise water. Any extra stain is there, it will be washed out away. Then you have to clear with tissue paper. Then you have to observe under the microscope. Then your observations you have to draw neat diagrams in your notebook. Okay, this is the onion peel cells. This is darkly stained body is the nucleus. Darkly stained body is nucleus. This is activity 4. Now activity 5. To observe nucleus in human cheek cells. In human cheek cells. Okay. Here materials required: ice cream spoon or wooden spoon or spatula. Okay. Then petri dish, glass slide, cover slip, microscope, etc. These are the materials required to prepare to observe nucleus in human cheek cells. Now procedure: we have to take mount in our human cheek cells. Inside scrapping we have to take out. That mount we have to put on glass slide. And add a stain, saffron, methylene blue or red ink or blue ink. Okay. Then covered with cover slip. You have to keep aside. After 5 minutes, you have to add drop wise water. Then any extra stain it will be washed out away. You have to wipe with tissue paper. Then this slide you have to observe under the microscope. Your observations you have to draw a neat diagrams in your notebook. This is the human cheek cells. Okay, animal cells. Human beings also social animals. Okay, social beings. This is the darkly stained body, nucleus, cell membrane. This is cytoplasm. Okay, this is the cell. It contains cytoplasm and nucleus. We can observe under compound microscope. Here it can magnify the organism 100 to 150 times bigger. But here we can observe these cells in under the electron microscope. It can magnify of an organism 1 lakh to 3 lakh times bigger. Okay, we can observe so many parts here, animal cells. Okay, here whatever we are saying, nucleus, cell membrane, cytoplasm. But here we can see cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, etc. So many organelles we can observe with the help of electron microscope. Next one here, plant cell. Okay, plant cell. This is plant cell. Now nucleus we observe. Here plant cell also we can observe vacuole, nucleus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, cell wall. Cell wall present in plant cell, animal cell is cell wall absent. Okay, cell membrane, cell wall, animal cell, plant cell both contain cell membrane, but cell wall present in plant cell. cytoplasm, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, lysosomes. Okay, these are all organelles present in plant cell. We can observe with the help of electron microscope. Okay, next one here. First, we have to see the cell membrane. Cell membrane. This is the cell membrane. Okay, this cell membrane is selectively permeable. Selectively permeable inside and outside. Whatever materials required, it will take in. Not required, it will send out outside. Selectively permeable membrane. Cell membrane present in both plant cell and animal cell. Okay, cell membrane. This is selectively permeable membrane. This is selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable membrane present in both plant cell and animal cell. This is present in both plant cell and animal cell. It gives good shape to cell. Good shape and structure to cell. Okay. Support to cell. Structure to cell. This is about cell membrane. Next one, cytoplasm. 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 This is a fluid-like substance. This is cytoplasm. Fluid-like membrane. Okay, fluid. Okay, it helps to. It gives good